if someone's listening now and they want to improve their brain health, they want to avoid dementia, they want to be cognitively powerful and capable as they age, they want to get to 80 years old, 90 years old, 100 years old and have a great brain. And you could only tell them to do three things.
Well, Terry said one, exercise.
Okay, exercise, I'm going to do it.
Start every day with today is going to be a great day.
Positivity.
Push your brain to look for what's right rather than what's wrong.
Okay, so I'm going to be optimistic and grateful.
Omega-3 fatty acids. And either do it with fish or do it with a supplement.
Why did you include omega-3 fatty acids?
Because it decreases inflammation, and 25% of the cell membranes in your brain are made up of omega-3 fatty acids. And as a country, we're dramatically low in them.